Hello everyone, welcome back to Gear Up Windows. In today's video, I will show you how to change the security level in Tor Browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Tor Browser includes three different security levels: a standard, safer, and safest. Each level provides a different balance between security and website functionality. By adjusting the security level you can increase or increase your privacy and reduce potential risks while browsing. So let's get started. First, open Tor browser and then click on the menu icon in the top right corner and select settings in the drop down menu. Under Tor settings, select privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right sidebar, scroll down to find security section. Here you will find security level. Click on this one change button, and here you will find three options: a standard, safer, and safest. Choose any one. After that, click on the save and restart button to apply the changes. Here, a standard is the default level. It provides full website functionality while still maintaining Tor's basic privacy protections. Safer disables some website features that are often used for attacks, such as certain JavaScript features on non-HTTPS sites. This provides better security with minimal impact on usability. Safest offers the highest level of protection. It disables JavaScript on all websites and blocks many advanced website features. This significantly increases security but may cause some websites to break or not function properly. Simply select the security level you prefer and then click on the save and restart button. Again, click on the restart for browser button to restart the browser. That's it. By choosing a highest security level, you can improve your privacy and reduce exposure to potentially harmful scripts or malicious content. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Gear Up Windows for more useful Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.